Ring security cameras are popular for home security, but sometimes display overheating warnings, especially in outdoor models like the Ring Spotlight Cam, Floodlight Cam, and Stick-Up Cam. Overheating can cause shutdowns, reduced performance, or hardware damage. This video explains why it happens and how to fix it. As of 2026, Ring has worked to reduce incidents through updates, but issues can still occur, especially in hot climates. Several factors contribute to overheating in Ring cameras. Let's examine the key causes that can lead to this problem. Direct sunlight is a major factor. When Ring cameras are exposed to direct sunlight, their internal temperatures can rise dramatically, potentially reaching up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. Poor ventilation is another key cause. When cameras are mounted in enclosed spaces without adequate airflow, heat gets trapped inside, making it difficult for the camera to cool down properly. High humidity is also a contributing factor. In humid environments, moisture can interfere with the camera's cooling mechanisms and internal electronics, leading to increased heat buildup. Hardware flaws play a significant role too. Defective cooling fans or other internal components can fail to properly dissipate heat, causing the camera to overheat even in normal conditions. Finally, battery-powered Ring camera models are especially vulnerable to overheating. These cameras have limited power available, which restricts their ability to run cooling fans or other heat-dissipating mechanisms effectively. The primary sign of overheating is an alert in the Ring app indicating camera overheating. This can be followed by temporary shutdowns or a decrease in video resolution. Physically, the camera's exterior may feel excessively hot, and motion detection might become erratic. Monitoring these symptoms is crucial for timely intervention. When you receive an overheating warning, take immediate action. First, relocate the camera to a shaded area. Ensure at least 6 to 12 inches of clearance around the camera for proper airflow. Clean any vents to remove obstructions. Also, check the Ring app for available firmware updates, as these often include thermal management improvements. For sustained prevention of overheating, consider hardware solutions like aftermarket cooling fans, especially for cameras placed in direct sunlight. Ring also offers optional solar panels for some battery models, which help regulate power and reduce internal heat buildup. Ensure your camera is mounted using a weatherproof mount to protect against environmental factors. Avoid placing the camera near heat sources such as grills that could increase surrounding temperatures. Keep your camera's firmware updated through the Ring app to benefit from the latest thermal optimizations and improvements. Since 2020, Ring has actively addressed overheating issues through firmware updates. These updates often include thermal throttling, which automatically reduces power draw when temperatures exceed safe levels around 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 29 degrees Celsius. The Ring app provides enhanced notifications to warn users of potential shutdowns. In 2026, Ring recalled a batch of 2023-2024 Spotlight Cam models with faulty heat sinks, offering free replacements to affected users. Many Ring users have found success with DIY solutions. For example, a popular method involves adding a USB-powered fan to provide additional cooling, particularly in humid climates. Online forums like Reddit's r/Ring are valuable resources for sharing tips and troubleshooting advice. These community insights can offer practical solutions tailored to specific environments. The future of Ring cameras includes advanced features to proactively prevent overheating. Ring plans to release Pro X series cameras with graphene-based heat sinks for improved heat dissipation. Integration with smart home systems will allow automated shading when cameras detect high temperatures. AI-driven predictive maintenance will enable cameras to autonomously adjust settings to minimize heat generation. The goal is to significantly reduce overheating risks in future models.